Aegea Blue Cycladic Resort, indulge in luxurious suites and villas, each offering modern amenities and breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Savor the flavors of the Mediterranean with our exquisite local recipes, crafted to delight your palate from breakfast to dinner. Relax in our stunning swimming pool. Find your zen with a rejuvenating yoga session, all designed to enhance your well-being. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves, the scent of fresh sea breeze, and the sight of the sun rising over the Aegean Sea. Your unforgettable Andros adventure begins here.